History. Maserati, an Italian luxury automobile manufacturer, was founded in Bologna in 1914 by Alfieri Maserati and his brothers, Ettore and Ernesto. From its inception, Maserati was dedicated to crafting high-performance sports cars that embodied Italian style and engineering. Early success. In the early years, Maserati gained recognition on the racing circuit. The Maserati Tipo 26, the brand's first production car, was introduced in 1926 and featured a powerful inline-six engine. This marked the beginning of Maserati's legacy as a manufacturer of exceptional sports cars. Best inventions. Maserati has introduced several groundbreaking technologies over the years. In 1963, they unveiled the Maserati Quattroporte, one of the world's first luxury sports sedans. The brand also became known for its innovative engines and aerodynamic designs, cementing its reputation for performance and elegance. Recent developments. In recent decades, Maserati has expanded its lineup to include luxury SUVs like the Maserati Levante and the Ghibli, a premium sports sedan. The brand has also ventured into electric and hybrid technologies to align with modern sustainability trends. Maserati remains committed to delivering a blend of Italian craftsmanship and performance. Current status. Even today, Maserati is recognized as a symbol of Italian luxury and performance. Models like the Maserati GranTurismo and the Maserati MC Duo continue to exemplify the brand's dedication to excellence. Despite facing stiff competition in the luxury sports car and SUV segments, Maserati remains a noticeable name in the realm of Italian automotive craftsmanship.